Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I've got some more speakers to blow out. I've got two little toy speakers here. These are really small, like 0.25 watt, 8 ohm little speakers. Really cheap. And here I've got some slightly vintage car 6x9's. These are the Spark Nomadic. These are 8 ohms, 5 watts. Okay, let's get one of these 6x9's hooked up. Well, I'm not getting any output on this speaker. Okay, I've got my multimeter set up so we can test for continuity. If the speaker has no continuity, it means it's blown. Nothing. So this one's blown. Shoot, that sucks. Let's see if there's any coil damage. And no coil damage. Yep, pretty lame. Okay, now hopefully this one works. Let's get it hooked up. Oh, there it went. It's our fancy little lizard cone. Oh, that's a teeny little voice coil. Look at that, not much damage at all. That was pretty lame. Alright, now let's give these little toy speakers a shot. Alright, let's give it some power. Well, I guess that was it. Dang. These kind of speakers usually don't end in much smoke. Oh, that's just brutal. You can see the bottom part of the coil came off of the voice coil former, and then one of the wires broke. Okay, on to the last one. Oh, a little bit of smoke. Yeah, these kind of speakers don't even have a spider or a voice coil former. Yeah, don't really see too much damage on that. Okay, since those other speakers were so uneventful, I decided to donate this speaker to the video. So let's get this hooked up and hopefully there'll be some smoke. Oh, dang it. Just a little puff of smoke. And, well, that's it. Okay, let's take a look inside. Little bit of damage there. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.